In today's video, I'm going to teach you Airtable Rollup. Airtable rollups are a simple and powerful way to calculate information from records that are connected across tables. This is especially useful when you want to total numbers, count related items, or summarize values without doing the math manually. Once you understand the setup, it becomes a very efficient tool for organizing and analyzing your data. To begin, open the table where you want the calculated result to appear. This is the table that will display the final rollup value, so make sure you're in the right place before creating anything new. It helps to think of this table as the destination for the summary you want Airtable to generate. Next, confirm that this table is already linked to another table. A rollup only works when there's a linked record field connecting your current table to related records somewhere else in your base. If that link is missing, the rollup won't have any source data to pull from. So before moving on, just make sure that connection is in place and working properly. Once the linked record is ready, click the plus button to add a new field. This new field is where your calculated result will live. As you create it, choose Rollup as the field type. This tells Airtable that you want to summarize information from linked records instead of entering data manually. After selecting the Rollup field type, choose the linked record field Airtable should use. This step is important because it tells Airtable which relationship to follow in order to gather the values you want to calculate. If your table has more than one linked field, take a moment to pick the correct one. Then select the specific field you want to roll up from the linked table. For example, this could be a number field, a status field, or another type of value depending on what you're trying to measure. The field you choose here becomes the source of the calculation. Now enter a roll-up formula, such as SUM values, if you want to add everything together, or count all values, if you want to count all linked entries. The formula controls how Airtable processes the collected values, so choose the one that matches the result you need. Finally, review the result and check whether Airtable shows the correct calculation. If the number or summary looks wrong, go back and verify the linked field, the source field, and the formula. Even a small mismatch can affect the output. Once everything looks correct, your rollup is ready to use and will continue updating automatically as your linked records change.